If you have heard of Ethereum, you have likely heard of Ether. Let's break down what this digital asset actually does. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain. Think of it as the fuel that powers the entire network. Every time someone interacts with an application on Ethereum, they pay a small amount of Ether to compensate those who maintain the network. Beyond just paying fees, Ether is used across decentralized finance applications as a building block for digital transactions and smart contracts. It is common to confuse the two. Remember that Ethereum is the platform, while Ether is the currency that moves within that platform. The cost of using the network fluctuates based on demand. When more people use Ethereum, the price of gas typically rises. By locking up their Ether, users help validate transactions, which keeps the network secure and decentralized. Understanding the function of Ether is the first step in learning about blockchain technology. Thanks for watching and stay curious.